If you're a Bitcoin holder, then this could be the most important video you're gonna watch this year. Ladies and gentlemen, Bitcoin on the monthly chart. The big chart giving you the big answers. I'm gonna show you the direction of the Bitcoin, and I'm gonna show you one important thing that I haven't discussed in the previous video. The target, where we are going in this bull market 2024, 2025. Timeline, still uncertain, but target. I got you back. So as I said, big chart of Bitcoin, monthly chart. Every candle is 1 month. Direction is pretty clear, upside with a possible retracement on the way, because yes, we are overstretched. And all-time highs broken. Bitcoin is crushing it. Doesn't matter if you are using wicks or bodies like me, all-time highs are crushed. 73,000 at the moment of making this video. What else do you want from Bitcoin? Chance of a retracement? Well, the possibility exists, and this upward moving channel that is going all the way from 2017 is showing us that we are now at the very pivotal point where we could see that retracement. Yesterday in our Bitcoin video we showed you worst possible scenario. We're gonna repeat it today, so don't go off. But if you look like details, really details into this channel, it's not just my imagination, but here the middle line of this channel showed a significant support. This was 2019. We got rejected pretty hard all the way into the lower band. Do you think something like this is not possible again? I might surprise you and shock you. Something like this is definitely possible to Bitcoin. I'm not saying this kind of a correction will come from these points, and I'm not expecting it, but always keep your hearts and cards on the table open. We don't want to hype you up with no reason. We want to give you the clearest and realistic perspective. And again, here, resistance, support. I mean, can you see some similarities with a move like here to move like here? Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Retracement are possible still at this phase of the cycle. Or by the way, we are in a bull market, no questions asked. But I'm keep getting boring to myself because I'm expecting it and repeating it in every video I make about Bitcoin. Bull market confirmed, yeah. The only difference is that with this move we breached all-time highs. Here we haven't breached all-time highs. We were still far off. Here that story ended. But what you could be seeing is something that even you and I can't comprehend at these moments, and that is that if we break this middle line, we just go parabolic. I don't know, that super cycle they're talking about. Now, this is not my expectation at the moment, and I really am expecting some downfall in few months of calmness. This is the time when Bitcoin stays safe and calm, that altcoins bloom and that we crush it. But that is the topic for another video. In this video, I want to discuss something else. Of course, we're gonna use again my band of 13, 21 and 34. As I said yesterday's video, those alignments are not perfect like here. You can see that 34 was on the top for a very long time, even on the time of this breakout. So I don't like that. I want to see yellow always on top, like we had here, the entire move of the bull. That's why my expectation is that we will see some kind of retracement in the coming weeks, settlement, and then move to higher grounds. I will show you the exact higher grounds where we are traveling, but for now, this is very, very important stuff. Of course, at some point, this band will provide us support. At this moment, this is standing at $37,000. But at this moment, also, this is completely irrelevant. It's not like Bitcoin gonna fall from 73 to 37 this month or the next, but you never know. Bitcoin is crazy. Crypto is insane. You are a gambler just for watching my video. But again, bullish as fuck. You're all gamblers. You're degens. Should you be bullish as fuck? Of course you could. Of course you should. We are above the band. Whenever we are above the band, contrary to this area, we are in a bull market, no questions asked. Now, this is the part I like the most. Fibonacci extensions. We will use our high of 2021 of $69,000. We will use our low of $15,000, connect them, and get the levels we're gonna discuss. Are we good for now? Hope we are, and hope this is not too fast. Retracement made into the extension that you all been waiting for and that I will present you right now. This is 161.8, the most important extension of all. And I don't have many doubts that Bitcoin will go this year or the next one into this area. Now, of course, we could use a conservative level by connecting those candles without the wicks. Let's do that. There we go. We got everything we need. And what we needed was the big zone of support, 61.8% retracement that we never retested. And again, I'm stating, as I stated in the previous video, this level could be our bottom. Before I give you this hype, $38,000, I said it yesterday, $38,000 could be the worst case scenario of that big downfall that we could be experiencing in the coming weeks or months. I'm not expecting it, but it's better for you to know about it, right? $38,000, so that you can still be in that mindset of a bull run, because we would still be in a bull run. Yes, it sounds crazy, but Bitcoin would be still in a bull market if we go to $38,000 under the conditions that we're presenting today. Will it go to those levels? I don't know, and I'm not expecting it to go that low. But let's talk about the levels that you want to see. Now, this is the conservative level of Bitcoin. This is the realistic one. And beyond is also a possibility. If Bitcoin decides to overshoot it and go into super cycles, then I don't know. But this is not the channel of those talks. This is the channel where I wholeheartedly tell you that Bitcoin this or the next year is traveling to the level of $140,000. And that is being conservative, because the big level is $170,000. Am I crazy for expecting Bitcoin to reach 140 or 170? That is up to you to decide. Let's round it up between those numbers and say that $155,000 is the target where Bitcoin is traveling in 2024 on 2025. Now, my sincere and my honest expectation is that Bitcoin will go into the green box above where you're seeing it. Timelines, maybe the end of this year, beginning of the next one. Still not sure about that. But do you care really about it? Is Bitcoin cheap? Well, according to this projection, it is cheap now. Could it get any cheaper? Also true. This is technical analysis, boys. Both sides on the coins are always shining. Telling you 155 is a reality for Bitcoin. But I really do not expect it to go below 140. And for your bulls, 170 is in the pocket. If you have something to say about this projection, say it. We can discuss it. Bulls are still here. Crypto is crashing the markets. And dinosaur, they do what they always do. Roar hard.